Happy morning children. Last class we started about sexual reproduction and completed till the difference between internal and external fertilization, right? Let us start with types of sexual reproduction. On the basis of nature of fusing structure, the sexual reproduction is of two types, syngamy and conjugation. Syngamy, otherwise termed as fertilization. Syngamy, point number A, it involves the complete permanent fusion of two haploid gametes. See to the picture. Male gamete sperm fuses with the female gamete egg. Both are in haploid condition. After the fusion, they form 2N condition zygote diploid in nature. Right? So, it involves the complete and permanent fusion of two haploid gametes. Fusion of two haploid gametes results diploid zygote. It is actually a common mode of sexual reproduction. Second type of sexual reproduction is conjugation. I hope we completed the conjugation in last session itself, right? Shall we recall it again? It involves the conjugation of bacterium. I hope you can remember, right? It involves temporary pairing. Two bacterial cells are paired with pilus, right? Will you be able to recall? It involves temporary pairing of two parents called conjugants. What are conjugants? Either of a pair of organism, cell or gamete which is undergoing conjugation process is called conjugant. An organism which undergoing conjugation process is called conjugants. That conjugant exchange their pronuclear or genetic material. The parental body exchange their pronuclear or genetic material. Example, bacterium, paramecium. Last class we completed bacterial conjugation, right? Yes, before starting the syngamy, types of syngamy, you must know some of the terms, basic terms. First we'll see gametes. Gametes actually derived from Greek word gamin means to marry. Gamin means to marry. Gametes, a haploid cell that fuses with another haploid cell. For example, male haploid cell sperm fuses with another haploid cell egg, right? When it will happen? During the time of fertilization. In what are the organisms follow this? An organism which follows sexual reproduction, right? Gametes are of two types, male gamete, female gamete. Male gamete call it as sperm or microgamete. Female gamete call it as ovum, egg or macrogamete. Microgamete, nature of microgamete, that is sperm. Sperm will be a minute microscopic motile gamete which is movable easily, motile, because sperm has tail, right? So that is a motile gamete formed by spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis, the word genesis wherever it comes, it is actually a development. Genesis means development. Make a note, genesis wherever it comes in biology, genesis means development. Sperm development, spermatogenesis, right? Where does it happen? Spermatogenesis formed in reproductive organ testis, right? Female gamete, ovum, egg or macrogamete. They are large, spherical, non-motile, structured and then formed by oogenesis. Egg development. The word genesis means development. Egg development is called it as oogenesis. Oogenesis formed inside the reproductive organ ovary. Both the type of reproductive organ testis, ovary called gonads. Yes, see, this is a testis, gonad, and then this is ovary. This is ovary, gonad. Ovary forms egg. It is a non-motile structure. See, it's an egg, ovum or egg, non-motile structure, and sperm. It is actually a haploid gamete. It is a motile structure which has tail. Got it? Yes. Let us start with types of syngamy. Syngamy is actually derived from Greek word syn means together, gam means marriage. There are two types of syngamy on the basis of source of fusing gametes. On the basis of type 1, on the basis of source of fusing gametes, syngamy is of two types. Type 2, on the basis of structure of fusing gametes. Structure. On the basis of structure of fusing gametes, syngamy is of following types. First, we'll start with the syngamy on the basis of source of fusing gametes. Whether the gametes fused in same parent or different parent. Source of fusing gametes in same parent or different parent. Same parent fusing of gametes happen inside the same parent. Uniparental means that is endogamy. Self-fertilization. Endo, auto means self. Gam means marriage. Endogamy. Right? Exogamy. It's actually a Greek word. Exo means external. Gamy means marriage. External marriage. Got it? Based on the source of fusing gametes. Whether the fusing gametes happen in the same parental body or different parent. Same parental body means self-fertilization. It happens inside the same organism. Same body. Same cell. Got it? Shall we go through endogamy briefly? Point A. It involves the fusion of two types of gametes derived from the same parent. Single parent. Uniparental. We cannot expect male and female different parent here, because a single parental body will do the endogamy process. That's what it is called. It as self-fertilization, autogamy. Simply we can explain. See the point number C. Male and female gametes are produced by same cell, same body, and they both get fused to form zygote. Example, paramecium and actinosporium. Example, actinosporium, paramecium. A simple concept only. Endogamy, a same parent body forms a zygote. Got it? Yes, we'll explain with example. Autogamy in paramecium. I hope everybody knows the structure of the entire paramecium, right? Transverse fission of paramecium, we completed this. Paramecium has a single macronuclei and two micronuclei. This micronuclei undergoes zygotic division, pre-zygotic division. Then it results 4 dots, 4 micronuclei. At the time what will happen? The macronucleus, the red color dotted macronucleus start to swells up, right? See the picture C. Then the 4 micronuclei, the 4 dotted cells or the dotted condition is called it as. Dotted nuclei is called it as micronuclei. That micronuclei undergoes second pre-zygotic division. It results 8. It results 8 micronuclei. At the time what will happen? That macronucleus which is red shaded swells and become as a mass tissue. See the picture D. At the time what will happen? A protoplasmic cone. See the picture? Protoplasmic cone forms on the surface of the paramecium. As I told you before, now we have mass of macronucleus, then 8 micronuclei. In that 8 micronuclei, 6 is going to degenerate. Only 2 micronuclei act like a pronuclei. That 2 micronuclei alone enter inside the cone-like structure. Protoplasmic cone-like structure. Right? As I told you before, see, any 2 micronuclei enter the protoplasmic cone. Remaining 6 are degenerated. Right? First, we'll recall it again. 1 macronucleus, 2 micronuclei. 2 micronuclei undergoes pre-zygotic division, then forms 4 micronuclei. Again, the 4 micronuclei undergoes second zygotic division, forms 8 micronuclei. At the time what will happen? The macronucleus gets swells up. Out of 8, the 6 micronuclei disintegrates and the 2 micronuclei alone enter inside the cone-like structure. Protoplasmic cone-like structure. What will happen? This 2 pronuclei fuses and forms zygote. 2 pronuclei fuses and forms zygote. 2 pronuclei fuse to form synkaryon. At the time what will happen? Macronucleus degenerates. Now we have see the picture here, 2 micronuclei alone. Again what will happen? Now post-zygotic division will happen. 2 micronuclei forms 4 micronuclei. In that 4 micronuclei, 2 act like a macronucleus, 2 act like a micronucleus. Right? Then each paramecium start to separated as a 2 daughter nuclei. See, a paramecium with 1 macronucleus and 2 micronuclei. Again one more paramecium with 1 macronucleus and 2 micronucleus. This is the end result of pre-zygotic division. So same parent body. This is autogamy. Same parent body. Fusion of zygote happens and then forms 2 daughter individual. Self-fertilization in autogamy. This is self-fertilization in autogamy. Right? Next, exogamy. The word exo means external. Gamy means marriage. When 2 fusing gametes derived from different parents. Simply we can say male and female are produced by different parents. They fuse to form a zygote biparental. Very good example, human being. See, very good example, human being. Shall we recall it again? What is exogamy? When 2 fusing gametes derived from different parents, male and female are produced by different parents. They fuse to form a zygote biparental. Human, dioecious or unisexual animal. Humans are dioecious or unisexual animal. That means male reproductive organ present in the male human being, female sex organ present in the female. Right? So, sexually dimorphic. So, they are dioecious animal. They are unisexual animal. So, they are exogamy. Under the type of exogamy. Next, on the basis of structure of fusing gametes, syngamy is of following types: hologamy, pedogamy, merogamy, isogamy, anisogamy. Dear children, for further explanation, please watch session 2 video. Thank you children.